Morning students. In this session we will see about double fertilization. Now double fertilization means two times fertilization, or you can say two times fusion reaction occurs. That's why this phenomenon is known as double fertilization. Now as we have seen the structure of the embryo sac, what it contains, that is there are three cells at the chalazal end. They are known as the antipodal cells, three at the micropylar end, out of which that is two are synergids and one is egg cell. And at the central position we have seen the two polar nuclei that is present at the central position, which are fused with each other. So this was the structure of the embryo sac that we have seen in the embryo sac formation. Now what happens in the double fertilization? As we have seen that the pollen tube carries the male gamete, this male gamete enters the cytoplasm of the synergids. Now out of these two male gametes, one of the male gamete fuses with the egg cell and leads to the formation of the diploid zygote. This process is known as syngamy. That is, fusion reaction occurs between the one male gamete and the one egg cell, and finally diploid zygote is formed. This process is known as syngamy. Other male gamete goes towards the central position where the two polar nuclei is present. There they are being fused with the other male gamete, and which leads to the primary endosperm nucleus. As two types of fusion occurs, this is known as double fertilization, and as both this fusion is haploid fusion, it is known as triploid fusion also. So that's why this process whole is known as double fertilization. I hope students this is clear to you all what is double fertilization. This is most important topic of this chapter again, that is what is double fertilization. You have to explain both the reaction and both the process, that what is syngamy and what is and how the triploid primary endosperm is formed. Now as this triploid primary endosperm nucleus is formed, it further develops and it will lead to the endosperm cell, and finally from this the endosperm is formed. Now what is this endosperm? Endosperm provides the nourishment for the developing embryo, and we have seen the zygote is formed from the syngamy process. Now this zygote will divide further by the cell division, and it will lead to the formation of the embryo. So up till this you have to remember students, in the double fertilization, again I am repeating, as pollen tube carries the two male gamete, it comes in the cytoplasm of the synergid. One of the male gamete fuses with the egg cell and it leads to the formation of the diploid zygote. This process is known as syngamy. Other male gamete goes towards the central position, that is where the two polar nuclei are present. As two polar nuclei are fused with this one of the male gamete, it is known as triploid primary endosperm nucleus is formed. Shortly it is known as PEN, P-E-N. Now once this nucleus is formed, it will result into the primary endosperm cell, and which further develops into the endosperm, which provides the nourishment to the embryo. And the diploid zygote that is formed, that divide further by the simple cell division process, and it is leading to the formation of the embryo.